Hello there, my name is John Koning. When I first heard Ed Sheeran's song Perfect, I fell in love with it immediately. So here's my attempt to put it to music. This is a 32 count dance and it starts with the right foot. Here's how the steps go. First 8 counts. We sway to the right, left, behind, side, cross. Then sway left, right, behind, side, forward. Now we're going to turn 3/4 of a turn. Make note of where your left shoulder is, that's where you need to end up. So 3/4 of a turn in 2 single steps and a triple step. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We should be facing 9 o'clock. And we sway, sway, chassé to the left. We're on our left foot. Now we step forward and touch, and then shuffle back, and touch, and shuffle forward. Now vine 1, 2, and chassé to the right, and vine 2, 3, and touch. Now there are 2 tags in this dance. One is a single rumba box, it's a syncopated rumba box, and the other is a double that builds on the single, and it just goes in a figure 8 form. I'll show you the single first, and then I'll show you how we add to it to make the double. So we're on our left foot, we step right. Right, together, shuffle forward, left, together, shuffle back. That's the single tag. And then the double one adds to it. We should step right, together, and then shuffle back, and then step left, together, and shuffle forward. I hope you like it. Keep dancing.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. so beautiful.